Hello. Okay. I'm gonna need to edit my scenes here. Yeah, it's gonna be dark for a while. Screen capture. What? Screen. Yes, this one. And settings. No, it's okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna need to shrink it. Sound alerts. Is there a way to copy? Oh yeah, copy. Paste. Paste reference. Okay. So that should do it. That's nice. Okay. Here I am. So, I'm working on a game. I've been working on it for a week at the moment. Not a full week. So, just maybe 10 to 14 hours. It's not my first, but I didn't do a lot of games. But this one, I like it a lot. I was inspired by an asset pack that I bought a while ago. Not a while ago, but during the bundle for justice and equality on itch.io. That was last week and 2 weeks ago. And I thought it looked a little bit like Ogre Battle. And I thought to myself, it'd be nice to play a good Ogre Battle game, but I don't want to play the SNES one, and I don't want to play the other 3D ones, the Ogre Battle 64. So I decided to make a game with about the same mechanics. Currently, I have a way to draw maps. And I have a way to set the pathfind and the movement speed, only for ground units at the moment. And I have some reference here to draw the map. Currently, I'm doing the first map. It's Warren's Castle or something like that. I don't remember what's the real name. But yeah, this level is a throwaway level, so I'm just recreating the first level from the game to just make sure I have most of the mechanics. So like movement, combat, monsters, capturing cities, finding secret cities, finding secrets, equipment, music menu, scene changing, a few things like that. So I'm good. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a problem. It's the same sprite. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna change for a new sprite. So this one is just disappearing. Okay, because I just set the boss of the level today. So I've duplicated the character and I've changed the animation sprite. And looks like I've changed the character sprite at the same time. Swordsman, idle, and that should do it. And it's a 2 FPS. It's loop. Oh wait. So at the moment, if I make the game run, I have bare minimum UI at the moment. So the quit button, quite simple, quits the game. Play button, start on the first map, and settings. I can enable, disable the music, and I can change the volume. Right now, I have no sound effects made, but the system is almost in place, and the on-off is gonna be the same as the music, so the volume also. So I decided to do them at the same time. Back, and if we play the game, we're here. We can scroll the map with middle mouse. We can scroll also with WASD and arrows. And at the moment, we only control the character. There's no way of selecting it to choose and move, and there's no way of clicking on towns. But we can. Did I break anything? Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Dang it. Gonna need to go. Godot. Ogre. Get status. Oops. Status. And I need to check out. No. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Get. Check out. Dash. Character. Status. Okay. So I forgot to make a comment this morning, and I feel lucky because I did a mishap. So since I duplicated the character to do the boss, I've erased everything in the character script. So that's why we need comments. And so let's go in Godot. Sorry, I'm still getting used to that. Copy this in this, save it, and remove this script, create a new one. Let's see, go in script, bus, okay, create, and so it's empty for now. What is this? This is okay. So this is fixed. Can delete back this one. Yes. Okay. Go back to this. Get status. Get commit.am. Changing. Okay. Get add. This one. Whoops. Get add scripts. So I've changed a lot of stuff from place. Rework folders and add settings. Oh, it's not gonna be long. Yeah, it should not be long. Okay, get push. Oops, I said push. Push. Let's see. Wow. There's a lot of stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh. I should have set LFS. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. I didn't set LFS. Yeah. It's gonna be... Oh... How big is it? Because I added music also yesterday. So there's now a couple of music files in there. And... Okay, let's go see. Source, music, properties... Only 73 megabytes. What's the full size of this? At least 72. What? Okay. So what's big? Folder properties. Full size. Whoa. What is so big? Oh yeah, because those two are not supposed to be there. Yeah. So let's see if I only take those files. Property. It's only 76 megabytes. Should not be that big. Hey. Let's go back here. Oh, it's sent. Yeah. Wait. Oh no. Oh. Okay, I'll fix that later. I won't fix that on stream. I've looks like I have committed some a folder, my build folder for my builds, and it didn't. I had them removed, but I didn't flush the history, so I gotta have to remove them from history and push back, but I'm gonna do that later. Okay, so right now should do play, and we should be back in business. Oh yeah, this changed. The scene, prefab, push and flag, copy path. So this now should work. Oh, yeah. Yay! So we have our character here, we have a bus here, and we have our stuff. So today what I want to work first is the winning condition. So what I need to do right now is to go near the bus. So I need to do a radius around it for contact, for battle. I don't want to work battle right at the moment, but what I want to do is, when I touch it, I want to trigger the winning condition on the map. So I want to see victory, I want to go on the victory thing, and I want to go back to the main menu to just for the scene switching. So now at the moment, whoa! Okay. That's not supposed to be like that. Oh my god, that's so funny. Oh my god, that is so funny. Oh. Okay, I don't know which version of the code is this, but... Oh man, that's funny. Oh... Okay, it's a little bit slower. Okay, I think... Okay, this is way too high. It's supposed to be at 30 something. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, so now this way better, way better. Okay, so now it's working properly. At full speed, that was a little bit weird. Might need to inspect the code just to make sure. Let's go here first. Oh, right. Oh, no. Okay. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. It's not that bad. Okay. I thought the button, the flag, that is supposed to be the flag, was still absolute instead of grid-based. So now it's grid-based. Should be okay. Forest is a little bit slower. Water is slower. Okay, so everything is back to normal. I might need to clean a little bit the code. But yeah, I should commit more often. That's something I'm gonna do more often in the stream. Let's see now. No. Okay. I want to quit this. First thing first, I'm gonna settings, disable music. Make sure. Yeah. So, since I already have background music, I don't want the game music at the moment. I'm gonna try it with the winning thing. I'm gonna do that. Let's go. Okay, so right now, go back here. So in these, I have some UI. Let's find the UI packs. Those four. Bring them here. And because I'm gonna need to work a lot in them, so extract, preserve path, create subfolders, extract. Oh no, gossip. Extract 2 here. Why is it not the right folder? Yep. Go in dev, assets, UI, extract. Okay, that's better. Right. Let's delete the zips. So let's see. The Unity package. I'm not using Unity. What kind of stuff do we have here? Wow, not a lot. Yeah. Dailies, general. So a few things, but nothing that I'm really looking for. What some buttons. Okay, let's go and tell me. Yeah, this is gonna do the work. No. Here, be like that. Okay, daily, general HUD, inventory. Nothing much. Level select. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. I don't know yet. Login. Yeah, nothing special here. Main. Let's see. Nope. Map. Yeah, nope. I think I'm not gonna find anything that I want in here. Nope. Uh, select character. Nope. No. Nothing much. Nothing. Nothing in the genre that I want. Yeah. A lot of stuff is really nice. Oh, maybe. Okay, so I have something in this. So the cute RPG. I do have something. Let's go in medieval. I'm gonna extract here those fonts because they are nice. Currently I'm using low one old style. Yeah, that's the one. I think that's the one I'm using. What? No. I think it's Vinic. Yes, I'm using Vinic. Yeah, I really like it. Am I? Oh. Oh. I might, I might have two sets of fonts. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Blind for it, just to be sure. When I'm gonna have when I'll have dialogue set, I'm gonna ask Blind, just to make sure he's able to read it. So keep. So what is this? Buttons. Yeah, no, thanks. What is this? Index. That's really nice. The UI in that, the GUI is so pretty, but it's so far away from what I have right now. I cannot use something like that, but it's awesome. I really like it. What is that? Linen bottom. Okay. A shield. Okay. And stripes. Is there? Oh. Let's see. Okay, I'll go blue, purple, teal, and red. Okay. Okay. There's not a lot of difference. Yeah, I don't like that. Discard. This is really pretty. This is really pretty, but it's not for this game. Discard changes, and the buttons are not for me. Okay, so medieval kit is not for me. Properties. Yes. Why are you not opening with it? Ah, okay. Now it's okay. Keep. So, whoa, there's a lot of stuff in here, and mostly ugly. Yeah. Mostly ugly. Okay. Yep. not that one. So, what do we have here? Brutal, okay. Some information. Regular. So, what is it? Buttons. So, I'm currently use this button for my UI. Oh, that's a retry. Oh, I could set a setting button. Huh. Main menu. I really like those buttons. Armor button, achievements. Yeah, I'm gonna need to work a little better with that. I really like those. So, buttons, frames. Let's see, what's in here? Huh. Okay. And health bar. Yeah, I'm gonna need something else. Generic UI. Yeah. Okay. What? God raise. Okay. Maybe. Completion code. Okay. Oh. Okay, so those are parts of the... So, left frame empty, left frame filled. Right frame empty, okay. Checkbox, check mark. So, that's the middle. Okay, I think it's an horizontal bar. Yeah, it's an horizontal bar that you're supposed to have at the bottom. For a minute, I thought it was a vertical one. Yeah. So the top yellow part here is the border along the... Yeah. Small goat. Okay. Timer. Okay. Weapon. Okay. So gauges are not what I need. Flag. That is too big for what I need as a flag. Chest. Gems. Warnings. Yeah. Names. I could use those two. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use those two for victory and defeat. Oops. Yep. Name headers blue and red. So in here, in resource, images, UI, victory, and defeat. Okay. So, I went through everything in here. I do have some more things in here. So I have a little bit of pixel arts. Right. So that's the tire set. That's tire set. Pixel for live. Ocean. Lo-fi. Infinite Runner. I don't need them since I already have them. Okay. Let's go back in here. And assets. Let's go in packs. Okay. I'll copy them in here and work with them. So what do I need right now? I do have, okay, I've copied them, but right now I do have what I need. The defeat or victory banner. I want to work on the victory side. So let's add a collision, polygon, collision shape, shape. I want a circle and a radius. So what is the radius that I want? And I hate this. Alright, let's go with 30. 30 is not enough. Let's go with 50. 50 might be a little bit much. So 40. That's good. What's the warning here? Connection. Only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object 2D derived node. Please use it as a child of area 2D static body, rigid body, kinematic body. Okay. So area 2D. So what's the warning on this one? This node has no shape. You can collide. Okay, so add a shape in here, and everybody's now is happy. One-way collision. So that's okay. No, it's not disabled. Material visibility. Okay. What's the light mask? Rendering layer, the canvas item. Yeah, but that's not what I want. Okay. Weird. So that's okay. Aha. Mask. Layers. So I know I'm supposed to be able to rename the layers. Project settings. Auto load plugin active. Utilization. There's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna need to learn that. Compression, rendering, physics 2D. Do I have a list of layers? Come on. Default. Okay. Single save. Okay. Commands. Import autoload. Editor native. Okay. I thought I had some a way to rename the layers. I don't remember how. I really don't remember how. So, I'll make it so layer 1 will be players. And what is the mask? Physics layer scan to determine collision detection. Okay. The area physics layer collect an object can exist internally. A contact is detected if object A is in a list of layer scans. Okay, so this is a bus. So this is an enemy. So first will be players, and second will be enemies, and so I'm detecting enemies. Wait a minute. No, this is an enemy, and I'm detecting players. That's okay. I wish I could rename them, but I don't remember how. I know I can do it somewhere, but I don't remember how. Let's see. Firefox. Let's open Firefox. Godot. Rename collision layers. How do you name your collision layer mask? Open project settings. Scroll to the layer names section. Okay. Project settings. Supposed to be a layer name sections. Layer name. Oh, okay. 2D. Let's try. Clear. And maze. Let's see. Close. Okay. It's not that one. Project settings. 2D physics. Player. Enemies. Close. Alright. So, project settings. Let's name them 2 and 2. Close. Save. Because I might need to restart the project. Quit project list. Yes. Let's reopen the project. Go back to the main. No, not main. Here. Enemies 2. Okay, so it is the second one. Project settings. Layer names, physics. So we can use those. Let's go with cities. Hidden cities and hidden objects. You know what? I just realized I forgot to take some water with me, so I'm gonna go fetch some water. Let's crank a little bit the volume here, and see you in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. So, players. Let's name these allies because it's not really players, and we're gonna have a few. Wait a minute. A few units. Ally. Units. Enemy units. Yes. No, we can just do cities like that. Yes, so it's okay. It's gonna be okay. All right. Sorry. So, I just want to check something. Stream info. Do I have godot? Nope. So, I'm not gonna change anything here. Okay. So, and on the player, I'm gonna also add an area 2D and add a collision shape because we're gonna need to collide, so we need to collide, and let's make this one 8 pixel. What about 7 pixel? The radius, so 8 should be maybe let's be a rectangle. So 8 by 8. So it's extending 8 in each directions. And if we zoom in, can we see if we hide everything? So if you see here, those are the points for size, and it's right in the grid. So that's what I want. Okay. I do want a circle for the bus, and I'm gonna use also a circle for enemies. Maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. So let's see. We have collision now. If I want, let's open help on this one. Monitor signal. Oh yeah, just one thing I want to. This one collision. It's an ally, and it's gonna collide with enemies, cities, hidden objects, and that's all. Okay. Hey. Hi. Layers don't affect performance. Mask and layers don't affect performance. Okay. No, I didn't know. I don't know. Do you know that? Okay, no, I don't know that they affect them. But as long... Personally, I don't like to have collision where I don't need them. So I don't want my ally unit to collide with another ally unit. And regardless of what... Yeah, but at least they won't trigger a signal in my code. I don't need to account for them. And if I add new masks, if I add new layers, yeah. But no, I didn't know they didn't affect the performance. And yeah. Little object that shouldn't interact on top of each other. Oh. Mass and shape that they shouldn't interact. Oh. Yeah, I'll check. I don't know what will happen. Because what is a lot? Oh, gonna be fixed in 4.0. Oh man. I don't know when is 4.0 is coming. It's gonna take a while because I think they were talking of 4.0 while making the 3.0, because the 4.0 is the full full engine rework, full 3D engine rework, and they started that a couple of years ago. Okay, let's go back to documentation. Show 1K, yeah. Yeah. 1K is a lot. But what is the limit of a lot? That's a question. So when I have code to spawn allies or enemies, I'm gonna try to see what's the performance level. Area 2D. How to make a collision. So signal area entered. Emit when another area enters. That's what I want. Okay. That's pretty much what I want. So on the bus, let's go in script. And it's unready for this. What's the name of my var? Bus area equal area 2D now bus area dot connect oh, that's not what I wanted. So that's the signal here in third self. So next, what's the why? I just want, and the method is on area on bus area entered on bus area entered. And no, that's not what I wanted. I got 2D. There's the target area. Okay. So let me tell you. So I guess this is gonna be the target. Like that. So the var var since this one is only monitoring ally units, so it should be a unit, and it should be area dot get parent. So this should do the trick here. And just for testing right now, the var this is going to be tried false, and if not trying, I'm from Quebec, so I'm French Canadian, and my English is a lot rusty right now. I do speak English occasionally, but not as often as I used to 5 years ago when I was training back 5 years ago. I took a 5-year break and now I'm back. It's my 8th stream since I'm back 3 weeks ago. Yeah, it's slow. Well, at least it's not French. I don't speak with the French accent. If not tried, unit dot defeated. Yeah, defeated. Else unit dot victorious. That. Let's go on my character right now and see. I'm gonna need to clean up this mess. From defeated funk victorious. So when I'm defeated, I want to throw the unit back. Move the unit back from the direction of the current unit. So let me pose. It's gonna be vector 2. And I want to So what I want is var what's the name of it? Velocity, yeah, not velocity, but direction. Direction is equal to enemy pos minus position, and I need to normal. I think I have something like that. Normalized, yeah, this. So I think this is gonna do it. And I don't remember which one should be first. I've not played a lot with vectors. So, like I was saying earlier, this is the first time I code. No, not the first time, but it's the second time I code a game totally by myself. I'm normally a web designer. Well, not a web designer, but a web backend developer and and DevOps. So I'm not used with vectors. Really not. I should be, but I'm not. Yeah. Backend and system operation. And I'm so happy to be able to code in Godot, because this is almost Python, and I code in Python. That might work. I've been coding in Python for 9 years now, so I'm super happy to be able to code in Godot. It's been a while. Playing with matrices, it's been a while. Last time I've played with them was in school. School, something like 14 years ago. Yeah. But I'm gonna play with them way more now. So here's direction and new pos or next pos is going to be equal to position plus direction times let's start by 100 and position equals next pos. I know this one is I don't need this one. I could do plus equals, but this allow me to add a breakpoint and try this. So let's go. There it is. This is a coordinate, so there's no rotation axis in there, so I cannot turn it. Let's try this. Oh, what's the position is not declared. Am I on the character? Position. Position is gonna be better. Okay. 5. Play should be okay now. And let's go here. So directly using matrices, you can use degree rad 21. Okay. And do I have a hit? Woo! I have a hit, and non-existent, defeated, and character. How did I name my function? Okay, my bad. No, I didn't make it. I bought it in. This one is from okay. The tile set. This tile set is the heroic tile set from itch.io that was in the bundle for Justice and Equality. That was it was a bundle that ran 2 weeks ago. It was huge. If you missed it, you missed something huge. Okay, so for testing purposes, I'm gonna use this scene, and I'm gonna position my character nearer. Hey, not the camera. The character. This one. Not the collision. Wait. I'm gonna hide the camera. Hide the area. So now I'm gonna. Yes. Okay. Better. If you want a link, I can find it for you. That's not the button I wanted to do. Right, so let's go here. What the heck? What? What are you doing, my man? Did I just move this? I just moved the sprite. Damn it. Stop. Okay, sprite. Transform position. Yeah. I moved the sprite, not the character. So let's move the character here. And play the scene instead of playing. Okay. Is this? Yes, it's sync. Okay. And character GD. Expect. Position. Okay, so current position. What is my current position? Current position. What is character? Current position. I go to code. Do I have it? Position. Man. Target position is gonna be that. Next. Okay. X. Think it's gonna. Just think it's gonna be okay. No. So it looks like I need to invert those. Enemy position. Nah, stop using that. Oh wait, can resume, and yeah, it's a little bit far. Maybe 50 instead. Let's see. Can I change this directly and go here? Will it go back? Oh yeah. 50 is way better. And I need to change state to idle. So now with this, we can do this and remove that. Okay. And what is the set state function? Change state to idle. Oops. So this should do it. Yes. So now I need to click back to go back. Yay! Nice. Is that even the right position? Okay, I should map it to the world. What is the do I have it? Okay. Move to the input. Get snap position. Okay. I'm gonna need to get node slash ready for movement tile map equal get node slash movement. That should be it. Gonna change that later, but I really don't like doing things like that. I'm more oh, I don't have them in here. Let's see. I have some here. Yeah, I'm more an export type of guy. Do I have any? No. Wait. I do exports of Notepad and use those instead. So let's replace those. Wait. I don't have search and replace. Wait. I've been looking into it something like 6 months ago. I've watched a lot of tutorials, maybe 6 months ago, more 8, yeah, 8 months ago. I've tried a few things left and right, but not a lot, just a little bit. Just to know that for now I like it. I've done a little bit more Unity. Something 5 years ago I've tried Unreal and I really hated it. Since that I've done a couple of projects in Unity, and it is nice, but it's a big beast. And I heard of Godot, and first of all, I like it because it's open source. It's a big plus. Second of all, it supported Linux out of the box, I think. And I work on Linux, so another big plus. And for the moment, the engine is not bloated, and I really like that. It's really simple. It's not bloated. And from what I want to do, this works perfectly for me. So with the 20 to 30 hours I've put into it, I like it. I like it more than Unity. So yeah, that's something. Not a lot, but it's something. But I want to replace. Where's my replace button? It's Tor. How do I search and replace? Control R. R. Oh my god. Thanks. Movement. Tile map. Replace all. Hey. Wait. And this one also. Move tile map. And that's what I want. Let's see. Oh yeah, I cannot do that here. So the Blender of game engines. Probably I don't know enough of Blender. I don't know enough of Blender. So I know a lot of people use it. I hear Blender a lot more than Maya or 3D Studio Max. It's quite popular. But I don't know. I'm not. I don't think it's gonna be able to surpass Unity and Unreal. Because just because of the money injected into those. Yeah, I know Blender is open source. Never win. Yeah. Yes, but there's a few things that Unity can do that Godot cannot. And the major point of what Unity can do and Godot can't is having a support team for a AAA industry. So, because right now, I know that Unity is trying to push into the AAA industry, and they are investing in that. They're investing a lot of money. So that's the big difference between Godot and Unity and Unreal. Unity and Unreal has a lot of money. So, yeah. There's that. And it's going to be easier for bigger companies to just pay a team in Unity to fix problems with the engine. Smaller teams in the indie world, using Godot is way better because since it's open source. If there's something that doesn't work for you, you can recompile the source and fix it. But for bigger industries, it's not like that. Not yet. So I'm gonna need to do the next pause instead. In fact, next pause is gonna be equal to its snap position of this. Well, no, I don't need it. I just need to do this and do equals and do that. And don't go past the bar. Suck people away from other project. Yeah. So indies, a lot of indies, I know, I believe a lot of indies will switch to Godot in the 5 to 10 years mark, because it's way better for them. Godot 4.0 will bring a lot of 3D 3D fixes. Right now for 2D is really good, but 3D since Godot 3, 3D is way better already. But Godot 4 is gonna be the big 3D mark for Godot. Position and direction and change to idle. Do I want to change to idle before I change? Yeah, I'm gonna, yes, at the beginning. Okay, so now with that, should be snap now. So yeah, so I'm snap because I want to snap to the grid. And I'm back. Okay. So now this is working. Let's go back to my bus. And try equal true. So now on victorious. Victorious. I'm gonna set true here, and bus bool. Yeah. Okay. Have a good night. See you another time. Yeah, 5 to 10 years, yeah, we never know, but I think Godot's gonna take a big place. Because I don't see really any other game engines growing up fast enough to dethrone Godot in the indie world. Okay, so what I want to do, bus and target. Do I want? No. So here, what I want to do on the bus area. Okay, victorious and free myself. This should do it. Let's see. Do. So I should go back once, then go back here and kill it, and empty free a locked. Oh, a locked object. Huh. Attempting to free a locked object. Okay. Let's see. Delete object from memory. Any existing reference to the object will now return null. Okay, that's what I want. Unlock. So I probably want to defer this. Call deferred method. It's free, so this should do it. Yay, it's working. Okay, so now victorious. Why are you not opening? Character. Okay. Let's see. If bus play victory jingle. I think I have no, I don't have it. So nothing here. Music. Let's see, do I have, oh, I have something. Battle, JRPG, waves, victory. Oh, not this one. Nope. It's a little bit short. I really like the first one. Yep. Okay. I like this one. Music. F2. Victory. So I'm gonna, oh, you know what? I'm gonna use it on the map instead. Export victory music. No, say audio stream stream sample for victory jingle. And hey, what's up? TK Enter. No, I don't know. I don't know. What is it? Looks, because the prefix TK reminds me of, what's the name of TK? Oh yeah. It's a GUI module for Python. Okay, I might have used it. I don't think so. I've used what is it? WX Python? I just need help with some syntax. Oh yeah, no, I cannot help. Unless it's pure Python syntax, I cannot help. Okay, so find victory. Okay, so game that's set track to victory jingle. And the fade out delay would be let's see, victory fade in, victory fade out. And I'm gonna set to 0 and 0 because the song is not long enough. So I'm gonna need to do it fast instead of trying to fade it in. So let's go on the map. Wait, what? Is there a problem in my code? Where is the problem? Fade out delay does not exist. Fade out. Okay. Do we fade in? Oh. Do we fade out? What's the problem? Fade out delay, fade in delay. Oh. Oh, I have it twice. Okay. It's gonna be easier like that. And resource, music, victory, and play. No, not ready yet. So no, map. I'm gonna go to the character and it's gonna be get tree dot get root dot victory F5. So this is a defeat and this is a victory. And base viewport. Base viewport. What is it? Okay. Okay. Why is my root base the base viewport? What I'm thinking about it. Input map. There's something else. No. It might be in editor settings. Team, inspector, editor, file system, directories. Text editor. Text editor. Highlighting, so that's okay for now. Appearance. Okay. Shortcuts, yeah. Replace. And this is gonna be Control H. Okay. TRL. Control plus H. No? So I have a replace here. Don't think there's anything else on Control H. Okay. Yeah. Control R. No. Control H. Okay. So now need to. I should have. No. There's a problem right now. So get node 1 slash slash map 1, I think 5. So Let's try this. Wait. I need the back button, control button to open back the back play. So it's gonna be weird because I have game music. Oh yeah, for victory. 5. On the nil instance. Okay. Quit. First thing first. I need in my game. Here. Music. So set music. Okay. Let's start a new player. Check stuff. Check with free. Oh. Okay. Twin completed. That's the problem. So if I click too fast on my wait, let's see. So here I have some music and it's ramping up slowly, and when I switch it's fading in while the other fades. The old one fades out while the new one fades in. Right now it's on a 1 second delay, so it's not really apparent, but just enough. And the problem is, if I do play and I click fast, both of them are playing now, so it's not fading out the first one properly. Stop. Okay, so first thing first to do, when I stop the current player, I want to do between in dot stop all. Wait, this should do it. Yes, it's fixing it. I don't have the menu anymore. Okay. So the character map. Let's just do it. Get parent and do victory on it. Alright. Is it gonna loop? No, it's not looping. And that's what I want. Oh! Okay, so the tween that I stopped. But it's not tweening out. Why is that? Huh. Why is it not? Strange. So if I let it ramp up completely, it's completely fading out. Oh, they are not stopped. That's my problem. Okay, it's not that they are not fading out, they are fading out at minus 40 decibels. And minus 40 decibels is not low enough. Huh. And so the thing that is not working right now is in my game here, when the tween out is completed, they are, it is supposed to, okay, let's do something here, and it's not breaking. Okay, so there's something wrong with my tween. Tween out is not the right name, and that's the problem. And now it's breaking. Yay! So it should be okay now. I go back here, kill the boss, and complete silence. That's what I wanted. Okay, so do I have on the map, on an audio stream sample, do I have any signals? No, there's no signals on those. Yeah, right. I wish I could get a signal. Let's see. Search. Let's see. Funk ready. Okay. To the script. Build in functions, but that's not. Search help. Functions. Do I have any? Named. So. Godot name variables. User. No. Named variable. Style guide basics. I wonder if I can use a default function. Language some function param1 param2 default values be string like that during an int. Okay, my function call function args, okay, function ref, my function call function, okay, that's not what I want. Can I call? Well, let's just try it. So let's go in game. And let's go and set track and call back equals that is going to be a string don't know how to write. And it's going to be equals to null. And start a new player. And the player, a draw stream player, does this as finished. And it stop playing. Okay, finish. Game. So I'm gonna call it finish callback. Finish callback. And if no, not null. Maybe let's just do a empty string. If finished callback. Oh. Oh. I cannot do that. Let's see. I could return the player. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Instead of sending back a callback, I'm gonna send back audio stream player, and it's gonna return current player. So, and with that, now I don't need them elsewhere, but here, map 1. Victory music. So, the jingle player is gonna be, oh man, and I need more. Yeah. So, jingle player. Just gonna do this like that. On jingle player connect finished self func on jingle finished on jingle finished, and oops, that victory music like this. Fade out of 0 and fade in of the normal fade in. That's gonna be okay. Now I need to find a victory music. So I don't need something battle type. Adventure, let's see. Yeah, no. Dramatic track? Too dramatic. Medieval track? No, too sleepy. No. No. Okay. What do I have here? That's the one I was looking. City in the Sky. Let's see. No. Not the forest. Not the sea village. Not the shop. No, not the temple. Maybe the town? Town loop. Yeah, no, it doesn't fit. Oh. Oh, that's a defeat music. Oh. Oh, that's that. That's gonna be defeated. Defeated. Gonna rename it in the editor. So victory. Rename to victory jingle. And so next next one is gonna be I need to find the next one, in fact. So that's defeated totally. So I have nothing in here but like that. Battle music, combat, epic track. Let's go see. New version. Yeah, no. Too epic. This one. No. Medieval music. This one. Too slow. Maybe. No. I think that could be fitting. Okay, let's go see this one. Victory. Waiting in victory. Victory after jingle. Let's try that. Right. So map victory after jingle here and save. Fail first. And it didn't start. Why? Okay. It's time to maybe debug. Oh no, I hate debugging this. Jingle finished. Jingle. Quite easy. Alright. Okay. Okay. So, let's start a new scene. A UI interface. Let's call it victory. And let's go with the banner I wanted. So, images, UI, victory. Can I just, no? Yay, I can set it like that. Let's try to... First thing first, this one, right. Okay, that's the right size. And this one... Data, transform, position. Oh. Okay. So, add a child. Contain... A container. Do you want to... Okay. A margin container, a panel container, scroll container, viewport container. I don't know which one I want. That's a big question. I don't want a grid. I don't want to split. So, a simple margin container. Let's go with that. Put the victory in here. And... Right. So I want to be full size. 180 to 720, and this one I want to have no. Okay, maybe not. External offset, transform scales. So. Times 3 should be okay. Something like this should do it. It's right here. Okay. Maybe a little bit lower. No. Maybe here. Okay. So, and let's add label victory team. It's going to be main custom font is going to be large labels. Oh, and scale. Looks like the scale is going to be 0.23 and 0.23. And trying to use this like that. This looks good. Okay, victory scene. And let's go back to the map. Add scene. No, I want to first thing first. I want to set my new folder UI. No, it's a prefab. It's a prefab. Victory here. And I want to add my victory. Can't I add it here? Okay. And I want to set it hidden. Oh, and I want to set it a child of the camera. And position. Positioned. You know. So I need it to be position 0, 0. Right. So now the position is right in the middle. Okay. I need to change a few things on this scene. Go to victory. First thing first. Since this is here, in fact, can I set this one as a root? Huh. Can I move up? Move up. No? Make scene root. Aha. I can delete this. Okay. Okay. So something like that. And I do not need to scale it because unless I want to scale it to 1.5 and 1.5, this should be okay. Give me a second. This, if I, okay. Some font. I want the large one. Okay, save this. This looks not okay. Oh, I want to reset this one. Position to 0, 0. Right. And the label does look centered. Right. It's gonna be alright. It'll be okay. Fine. No, that's not what I wanted to do. It's gonna go to map. Victory is here. And now you can set its position. Transform. Okay. On the Y, I want it to be minus 150. Ooh, 150 is a little bit much. So, like that. It should be okay. Yay. F5. So, play. Uh-oh. Hide this one. And map. On the script. I want to export notepad var victory node path and an unready var victory node is equal to get node victory node paths and victory. So I'm gonna victor, and I need to prefix this and prefix this. Oops. That visible. So open documentation, and I expect this to be here, and visible. Node will not be visible in the scene tree. Is it an object? Visible. Okay. Canva item visible. Aha. So it's visible in tree. Visibility change. Visible. Okay, so set visible. Set visible tray. F5. Play. No. Oh. Yeah. Equipped. Map 1. The victory node path is this one. Oh. Yeah, I cannot do that. This and victory. I'll play. Okay. Good. Alright. That's a bunch of things that are nice. Okay. So now next I need to stop the music. Now that I know the music is working. Settings. Music off. Back. Alright. What I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna go in my game. I'm gonna go in my game, and instead of current player here, oh, so it's here instead of current player, it's gonna be current music player. Replace this one. Replace this one. Replace this one. No, skip this one. Return current player. Okay, that's replace, replace, replace. Okay, this one. Okay, current music player, current SFX player. So stop player, and it's gonna be current music player, and start a new player, and current music player is gonna be equal to the return of that. Stop player. Starting players, it's okay. And this one, so where's the stop player? Music player and audio stream. Oops. Stream player. And that, okay. And music player here. Tween out. Object. Okay, so and okay, Between out music player. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. So here it's gonna be var music player. Place all of them and return music player, and it's gonna return no use string. Oops, string player. So that is now okay. Hi, official. So the game is. I'm gonna show it to you. Oh, there's a problem here. Set track. Return current player. Oh yeah, I need to. No. Return current music player. Yeah. So the game is gonna be inspired by Augur Battle. So it's a tactic game where you're gonna have multiple units. At the moment I have only one coded, and so you start at your base. Normally you start at your base, you select the unit that you want and you go explore. You capture cities that will give you money for the war, and you fight waves of enemies that are trying to capture the city and capture your base, and you kill the boss. Well, so it's a story. So it's it's tactic real-time RPG with levels, and it's strange. It's roughly it's heavily based on Augur Battle on SNES. At the moment, I'm starting it. So this map is a throwaway map. It's the first map that you do when you play Augur Battle. Oh, I realize I don't have any music back. It's the first map that you play when you play Augur Battle, and I'm just making it so I can code most of the functions that I need to play. So once this map is going to be completed, I'm going to have like 85 to 90% of the functions of the game coded. So after that, I'll be able to put more time on making new maps, and so putting this one away, maybe in the debug menu somewhere or something like that. Stop player. So that's okay. You know what? I think this is ugly like that, so I'm gonna just do this. That'll be better. And this will return void. So just type all my functions because I like typing. So this is, oops, this is going to be return void also. Return void. Don't know if it's default. Gonna set them to I'm gonna set them properly, just so it's there if I need it. If I need to change something somewhere, I'm gonna know. So, oh, and this is not the music. This is not the music player. So that's the player. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to the player. Oh, that's a big factor. And okay, I don't need this one. I just want to return the player. Right. So this one. Okay. Duration. So volume. That's gonna be a float. Like that. And the volume. Okay, so and I need to do the same thing here, where the volume is a float, and like that. And I just need to use the volume here. Okay. I do have the music player already. Oh, I don't need the volume here. I don't need the volume here. Yeah, and that's gonna solve. That's gonna solve the player that gets volume dB. So yeah. And music player, okay. Set music track. Set track, okay. Return command, okay. If underscore music any music current music player dot play. Okay, so now that's okay. What do I want to do? Add SFX. Well, yeah, add SFX track. Audio stream in out. That's okay. Can't SFX. So do I want do I want the current SFX player? Do I want an SFX player? Yeah, I don't think I want something like that. Yeah, I don't think so, because I don't. It's arguable. arguable. Can I? The thing is, okay, I'm not gonna do it. Add SFX. So I'm not gonna do this because I don't need to stop it. Like that, and it's gonna be var sfx player, and I don't need an out, I just need an in. In fact, I don't need an in. Okay, I don't need an ease on an SFX player. Okay, it's 0. Okay, no. Set track, I'm gonna keep it 1 and 1, but 0 and 0 and if in duration this and this, else player set to volume. Yeah. Agile tween in and this one, those two, in fact, those two can go up here like that. Okay, so if there's a duration, I'm gonna tween it. If not, I'm just gonna set the volume to the right volume. It's okay. And same thing here. Tweening with stop all. Okay. Oh. If I use the same tween, no, I don't need it. I don't. Okay, I'm never gonna tween SFX, so I still can use those. Okay. If out duration, like that, like that, else. Else clear dot set volume db to muted volume. In fact, wait, I don't need that. Player dot stop and player dot free. This should do it. So if there's no fade out, just don't do the fading and stop and free the player. That's it. That's all. Okay. So now status effects. If enabled, SFX. I just. If not, enable SFX. Return null. That's all. Like that. And SFX player. Return the SFX player. Okay. Add SFX track. And let's go to the map. Let's go to victory. Instead of that, let's add SFX track. A jingle. I don't need fade in, fade out. Jingle player. Finished. Now I add the music track. Oh, speaking of music track. Source, music, victory after jingle, and I want it to loop. It's really important. Jingle not want it to loop. Main menu defeated. I want it to loop. Combat, boss. Okay, that's okay. So here. So now I should have jingle. Let's see. Let's see about that. What kind of information do I have on this? Do I have a loop end? What is loop end exactly? What is this position? I wonder. Let's see. Map. Another sample stream. Mix rate. Loop end. So loop end and bytes. The sample rate of mixing. The sample rate of mixing this audio. So is that a number of bytes per second? Calc. Let's see. So this number. What? Wait. 32.24838. Looks like it. Divided by 44,100. So 73. No. Oh yeah, that's the victory music. I want the victory jingle. Wait. What? Oh, the loop end is not enabled. Okay. Let's go back to the help. Let's see. That's a resource reference. Audio stream. Get length. Okay, so get length. Return the length in seconds. That's what I want. That's what I want. Wait. Here. Do I still want? Okay, I need stop music. I need a stop music in my game. Found stop. Oh yeah. Stop track. I want a now duration and a type, and it's gonna return nothing. And it's gonna set a stop player, current player, with the alteration and the type. And I should add the type here. And probably here too. And now I need this on the new line. And I want to have a space here. Oh yeah. And a space here. Makes it more fluid. Stop player. Start a new player. If enable, yeah. So this should do it. I want to stop victory mode visible is true, and getting that stop track with an out of 0 and a type of 1, and I don't care about a type. An out of 0. Yeah. Starting player expected at least 2. What? Starting player volume. Oh yeah. Yes. And SFX volume. Good point. Play. Wait. Nice. Oh. Oh. What? Set track. Okay. Why? Why would this be stop track duration alteration of 1 and I set it to 0? Stop track. It is supposed to be a valid player. It is supposed to be here. Alright. Let's try it again. Play. Okay. It is stopping. So, what's the player? Oh, player. It is a player. Why is my player not freed? Huh. Okay, let's see. Add child. Start a new player. Add child player. Okay. So I'm gonna remove child object and move child player. And okay, let's go change the script on the bus to true because I don't want to lose time. So this should be okay. And I still have a player. Why? Okay. I don't understand why the player would be... Right. So... differ... call... differed. String. Call a method during object idle time. Okay. So subtract. Stop the player. Stop player. What? Right here. Okay, so player dot call differed free. Like that. F5. Does this fix it? Remove the breakpoint because I don't care. Alright, I think it worked. So, deferring this one, make it work properly. So, I'm gonna do the same thing here, just to make sure I don't get a bug here. But yeah, because I don't know when the garbage collector will pass. So let's move the child and everything. Okay, so this should work. Let's continue. And it's time for me to go to sleep because I work tomorrow. On that, I'm gonna end, and I'm gonna say to you, see you next time.